This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
CVT transaxle fluid change. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Then raise the rear of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield and access panel. Position a large drain pan under the transaxle. Remove the drain plug and allow the transmission fluid to drain. Once the fluid has drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Be sure the sealing ring is in good shape. If not, replace it. Remove the fluid level check plug. Remove the air intake duct. Locate the transmission fill plug and remove it. Insert a long funnel into the opening. Pour the appropriate type of transmission fluid into the transmission. Continue to add fluid until fluid begins to flow from the check plug hole. Temporarily reinstall the check plug using a new sealing washer. Remove the funnel. Keep a shop rag handy to keep from spilling onto the engine or transmission. Insert the transmission fill plug. Start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. Then, with your foot on the brake, move the gear stick lever through each range, pausing for a few seconds between each interval, then back to park. Turn off the engine. Remove the check plug. Fluid should just trickle from the hole. If it does not, add more fluid until it does. Allow the fluid to flow out until the level is up to the bottom of the check plug hole. Install the check plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Install the under-vehicle splash shield and access panel. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Install the air filter ducting.